Hi, World Geography classes. It's Wednesday, and my little guy is still sick. So my husband and I have been tag teaming all week. But unfortunately, this means I don't see you all week. So I'm sorry. And I think that you'll be fine because you're resilient and smart people. So today you'll need two things for class. You'll need the Modern Human Migrations assignment that you did with Mrs. Ruley on Monday. Those are stacked on the side cabinet, and or not the cabinet. They're stacked on the side countertop, and she just labeled like period 1, 2, period 2. So I'm going to ask a couple of you now to, I know I'm messy, but it's organized messy. Underneath where I write like the daily list of things to do, can you please find those and pass them out? Okay, so do that now and pause here. Okay, now that you're back, if you haven't done daily current events yet, please do that. And whoever's responsible for that, I don't remember off the top of my head. I know a couple of you emailed Elena. I know I got an email from you in third hour. So do that and pause here. Okay, now that you've done current events, one announcement. So if you look at your 4-week calendar, it says we're supposed to have our Unit 1B vocab assessment today. That will be on Friday. It is a review quiz, okay? So there is not a writing component or an essay. It is merely application of the Unit 1B vocabulary, which you have, and then some practice with statistics like birth rate, death rate, looking at some charts, kind of like we've been doing with our population statistics. So today, when you finish the migrations assignment, if you have any remaining time, I recommend that you study for the vocab quiz. So that's a strong suggestion. As far as today goes, we'll be continuing to look at migrations. So on Monday, you read case studies of historic migrations over time. Today you'll be watching a series of videos from the news just over the last 3 months of modern migrations. So the reason you need the sheet from Monday is because you're going to continue to add to your map as you watch these videos. So it would be helpful to have a world map nearby on your phone, or grab one of the atlases on the counter or underneath the countertop. Or you can use a Chromebook and map these at the end. But you're going to be looking today at migration stories. One is based on a book called Enrique's Story. It's about a young boy who leaves Honduras and travels to North America to meet his mother. You're going to watch a news story about North Koreans who have escaped North Korea and settled in the United States and problems they face. You'll watch a story about migrants leaving South Sudan and headed into Uganda, another African nation. You'll watch a lengthier story about the Lost Boys of Sudan. Their story has been in the media for 20 years and following why they left when the civil war in Sudan originally broke out. You'll watch a recent story about the ISIS-controlled city of Mosul, Iraq. Half of it's been controlled by ISIS. The other half has been, what's the word I want? Retaken. By coalition forces. And then the last story is about immigrants from Mexico coming to the United States. So if you look at the sheet that you took from today's basket, on the front there is a table, and on the back are your instructions. Okay, so basically what you'll be doing is classifying each set of migrants, including the Syrian migrants from our simulation last week, and including all of the migrants from the documents you read Monday. Then thinking about if any of these migrants should be given help, there's focus questions at the top. Should migrants be given help? How should we deal with controversies around migration? There's a column for you where you would generate questions that would help you take a position. And then at the end, after you watch all the videos, you do some ranking, and those instructions are number 4 on the back. After you do all of those things, you'll discuss your responses, or you'll individually respond to number 5, and then do some table discussions and class discussions. So right now I'm going to have you get going and watch the videos. So you'll watch these as a class in order: video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think, as a class, make a decision. If after 3 or 4 videos you need to take a quick break so everybody can stand and stretch. And then when you're done with the assignment and done with the videos, you can use any remaining time to study for the quiz on Friday. I miss you guys. Oh, and map each migration on your map. So, like, for example, South Sudan, you'll draw an arrow for the people leaving South Sudan headed to Uganda. So it's pretty basic. I look forward to reconnecting with you Friday. Have a good Wednesday. Thanks.